Number 12. Start with the agile twisting. What are the basic techniques? Well, there's really only so many twists that on a normal sculpture you're going to have to do. The standard twist, you might do an ear twist, you might do a pop twist or a split twist, you might do a roll through. There's really not that many different ways. But cool thing is we have videos on here in our technique section for every single major technique and how to use it. So spend time, learn the techniques. We teach it in a fun way. You can also go to my website, theballoonsculptor.com, www.theballoonsculptor.com, and I have a section there on how to twist balloons, and I have 20 different videos. It's a 20-step process, and it takes you from not knowing anything to even all the way to how to learn to weave a balloon, to make baskets. It's showing the technique, then it shows you how to use the technique and what to use it for, and then you learn another technique and you keep building. And they're in a specific order so that it makes it real simple for you to move forward on your journey. And even on the advanced balloon videos I do, whenever there's a technique that I use for the first time in the video, usually you'll hear me say, and if you don't remember how to do this or you don't know how to use this technique, watch this video. Because I believe balloons are, you build off of. Until you know how to use this technique, the ear twist, you really can't make a teddy bear. So let's teach you how to do the ear twist, then we make a teddy bear. Now once we know how to do the ear twist, we now can do a split twist. Once we know how to do a split twist, we now can do a pop twist. Now we do know how to do the pop twist, we can make things like intricate flowers that are just, you have a lot of different spokes. So yes, it can seem overwhelming, but it's not really. Take it step by step, learn, apply, master, then learn, apply, and master. You got this. I believe in you.